What if I told you job security in 2026 isn't just about hard work? It's about working with AI before it works around you. The pressing question isn't, will AI take every job? Instead, ask, which workers will be more valuable by mastering AI tools? That's where the divide lies. To stay competitive, you must understand several vital AI tools. Knowing these tools can help you move faster, communicate clearly, and become indispensable at work. Let's explore the must-learn AI tools to keep your job secure in 2026. These aren't just trendy apps, they're reshaping workflows. First up is ChatGPT. Many still use it casually, asking the occasional question. But it's so much more than a question app. ChatGPT can assist in drafting emails, summarizing documents, brainstorming ideas, and analyzing files. If you're not learning how to use it effectively, you may be missing out. Next is Microsoft 365 Copilot. This AI tool enhances productivity in Word, Excel, and Outlook. It helps summarize emails, draft presentations, and extract insights from data. In resource-heavy environments, Learning Copilot can set you apart from others. Now, let's discuss Google Workspace with Gemini. If you use Gmail, Docs, or Sheets, Gemini is critical. It's integrated into the tools you rely on, assisting with tasks like drafting emails and speeding up research. Knowing this tool increases your workplace efficiency. Moving on to Claude. This AI is key for writing and complex problem-solving. Claude excels at deep reasoning and creative tasks. If your job involves analysis or strategy, learning how to use Claude is essential. Finally, we have Notion AI. This tool is perfect for organizing information. It automates meeting notes, manages tasks, and improves overall workflow. Using Notion AI effectively can help you turn chaotic work into structured systems. Here's the truth. Those most at risk are often not the least talented, but those sticking to traditional workflows. The real pressure comes from adapting to AI-assisted practices. Each tool enhances a specific aspect of your job. From research with ChatGPT to organization with Notion AI, these tools provide real value in the workplace. To start, learn the AI tool that aligns with your company. Focus on Copilot if Microsoft is your primary environment or Gemini for Google Workspace. Then, broaden your skills with ChatGPT and add Claude for document-heavy tasks. Finish with Notion AI for streamlined organization. Be cautious. Don't be the person who knows AI tools in theory but can't apply them. The goal isn't tool jargon, it's about improving your workflow. Ask yourself, can you write faster, summarize better, organize effectively, and research efficiently? These skills are what protect your job, not just knowing the tools. In summary, the must-learn tools for job survival in 2026 include ChatGPT, Microsoft 365 Copilot, Google Workspace with Gemini, Claude, and Notion AI. They're not just trends, they are fundamental to modern knowledge work. Those who master these tools early will not only appear more productive, but also become harder to replace. That's the challenge for 2026. So take action now. Start exploring one of these AI tools today and secure your future in the workforce.